Now, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to get the post from the map. Now, now, in order to get the post, what I'm thinking is of getting a random post for test loading the API. Now, in order to get a random post from the map, it's difficult, or there's no function to get a random key from the map or get a random post from the map. So in this case, we're going to create an array that will hold uh, a random key that will hold all the keys that are there in the map, and then we can have a random integer and take out a particular key from the array and then use that key or the ID in the map. So what I'm saying is, let's say I have put all the post over here, but I also create a list of array of UID IDs is equal to post map dot keyset dot keyset dot stream to list stream dot to collect as list. Will that work? Add a list. Oh, wait a minute. I want to create a stream of add a list, but it should be modifiable. Java string set collect to add a list. Add a list. Some stream. How to get add a list. Will that work? Stream dot to collect new add a list. Stream dot to collect to list. This will work. And what we're gonna do here is new add a list posts map dot key sets dot stream to list and IDs and post IDs. These and anyways, got this, all the IDs that are there, and then when you add a new post, also this should be updated to post map dot values, that is get. I want post map, I want post dot set ID, post IDs. Wait a minute, this should be global within the class. And if I put it over here, this is cool. And if I do this and then post IDs dot put dot add the ID, and this is one that should delete post IDs dot delete dot remove the ID. This will be a bad function, but it gets the job done for now. We're going to take a look at this later. Anyways, I'll be using a less of the delete function now, but anyways, we'll be using a cache later on, databases and all that stuff, to randomly generate the posts. So for now, this is okay. And then put load post. This is post IDs. Post IDs dot add post dot get ID. Post IDs dot add post dot get ID, and then okay, now I have to generate a function to get the get load. This will be a load. Get load get posts random post, add random post, load getting no. So this will wait. I will generate a random number. That random number will take a ID from the post IDs list and use that post ID in the map, and it will return the post from that map. So I'll go random equal to new random dot next int, and the bound will be posts map dot size, and in index is equal to this, and post IDs dot get index, that'll be UUID post ID is equal to this, and then getting post for ID will be equal to the post ID, and post map return response, wait, shouldn't be collection, it should be just a post DTO, and this will be post map post DTOs. I this I want post mapper dot post to post DTO. This post map dot gets post ID. Okay, and should run it. Let's put a breakpoint and over here, and I don't want to skip it, please. And we go to this and get this post load. Okay, F8. Post ID is this, and get post. Okay, it worked. And we go over here and post service, stop this, skip this, sorry, skip the breakpoints and see what it generates. Okay, it generates a random post every time. Cool. Now, the reason why are we creating this load API is I'm gonna put it into JMeter. And let me show you how we're gonna do that. Is if I open up a JMeter, and in this we're gonna create thread group. Okay, I want 10 users. Per second will be 2 of them. Loop count. So every 1 second it will generate 1 user, and it'll run 20 of it'll generate 20 requests because I'm running it to count. So that is there, and then thread group will have a sampler HTTP request. The protocol will be HTTP. Server will be this localhost. $10,001. This will be get, and we have a path. And hope this works. Are you using? Yes, I want to save the plan. This will be post service.